So one of the things that I absolutely love is having multiple monitors. It helps get my work done daily. So in my studio, you can see that I have a bunch of monitors. So when I was asked to check out the DuoOne OLED Fold, I was very excited. So after using it for a few weeks, I'm very impressed on a few things. How beautiful the OLED displays is, plus how the monitor is a complete touchscreen, which is really nice. So let's go and explore this dual monitor touchscreen here. So sit back, relax, and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So one of the most groundbreaking aspects of the DuoOne OLED Fold is the beautiful dual 13.3-inch OLED displays and the build quality. But what's so awesome about this monitor is the complete unboxing experience. So looking at the box and opening up the box, you get everything you need. You get two USB-C to USB-C cables. You get two HDMI to mini HDMI cables. You get a cable for charging, and you get a charging brick. Now, as far as the price, look, I will leave the link down in the description below, but here are some footage of their website. Looks really good. They got a bunch of different monitors and a bunch of different things here. I will leave the links down in the description below. But the DuoOne OLED monitor not aren't just about looks. It's all about performance. What sets it apart from the competition, whether or not you're a professional or someone who wants the best, the DuoOne OLED monitors is really good here. So let's go over this monitor. On the left side, you got two mini HDMI ports and two USB-C ports and a power port. So on the right side, you have a power button. You got two menu buttons, and the reason for that is because you can control the top display and the bottom display menus, and you have a signal button. So on the back of the monitor, you have an adjustable kickstand and a Visa mount if you want to mount this monitor. So the dual 13-inch touchscreen monitors has a resolution of 1920 by 2160. Now, it weighs about 2.3 pounds, so if you fold this, it goes great into a bag. It does have Smart KVM technology, so you are able to use one keyboard and mouse to control both displays on a bunch of different devices, which is really nice. So let's talk about a few scenarios. So in this scenario, I have my computer connected and I'm using the monitor to expand it with a total of 3 different screens, which is really nice. Next, what you're looking at right now is me playing a game. Also, I have my Galaxy device using Samsung DeX on the top display using USB-C to C. Now, I'm able to use the touchscreen and interact in this scenario with the smartphone, which is really nice. So if you have a smartphone that have desktop mode, you are able to use the touchscreen, which is really nice. And you are also able to use the keyboard and mouse to control it, which is absolutely marvelous. So in this scenario, you are able to use the monitors in portrait mode, which is really nice. So now this setup is you have your main computer and you have the 2 monitor setup. So you have a total of 3 monitors, which is really nice. So this scenario is great for reading books and reading emails. So I like this scenario so much. So you can use this monitor in a bunch of configurations, such as tint mode or adjusting it the way you like for the perfect viewing angle, which is really nice. All right, guys, so this scenario right here, I want to kind of talk about and let y'all guys see how beautiful the display is. So right now I'm running Samsung Dex here at the top. I got my Galaxy phone right here, and I got my computer showing the second screen right here. So in this scenario, you could have two computers, one at the top, one at the bottom. Or in this scenario, I have my Galaxy phone at the top and a computer at the bottom. And so one of the things I want you guys to see is how beautiful the display is. And I'm kind of let y'all guys see how bright and vivid this OLED display is. And since I'm running the Galaxy phone USB Type-C to USB Type-C, I'm able to use the touchscreen. So I'm able to use the touchscreen here, and I can do that on either display, which is really nice. So one of the things that I like about this monitor setup is that the touchscreen response is so good here. Then I can browse the web, I can go to my settings and everything else in between, or I can connect the keyboard via USB here on the side, and I can control the both using one keyboard. So it is really nice to utilize this monitor for this complete setup. So in conclusion, the DuoOne OLED Fold is a great monitor to get work done. The displays are beautiful with great color accuracy. So whether or not you're a gamer, a designer, or just someone who wants to get the best, the DuoOne OLED Fold may be the perfect choice for you. Listen, I will leave all product links down in the description below. So tell me what you think about the DuoOne Fold. Share your thoughts in the comment section below. And don't forget to check out my YouTube channel for other videos about more tech insights. This is Eric the Tech Preacher. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the DuoOne Fold in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.